In this video, I am going to show you how to extract only the audio from a video file. So let's see how we can do this very quickly. So at first we need to choose the video which we want to extract the audio. I'm using Mac computer and here I see this is the video. If we try to play it, we'll see that it's like 8 minutes video. So I want to extract only the audio from this video. To do this thing, at first we need to right click on top of the video and it will bring this type of menus. From here we have to choose the last one, encode selected video files only. So I'm going to click here and very shortly a new small window will be opened. It will take few seconds to load this window, and now we will find settings is there and there is a small arrow. We just need to click here, it will be expanded. Now from here we have to choose the last option, audio only, and it will be selected audio only, and you will see some other things are changed. Now we can like extract only the audio from this video to same location or different location if we want, but I'm going to keep the audio in the same location where the video is there. And then we have to press this button, continue. I'm going to click continue button and very shortly it will be extracted. It will take few seconds, and here you see this is the audio. So this was the video, 286 megabyte, and this is the audio. And if we try to play it, it will play. See here, this is the audio, and that's it. In this way we can easily extract the audio from any video in our Mac computer without using any third-party software or very difficult way to extract the audio.